Hey guys, this is RP Forex, and here we have Euro Yen. This is the trade that we took last week, and you can see what has happened since then. 3 days and 170 pips later, we are done with the trade. You can see we had a pretty nice entry, a small little pullback before we just fell, and we haven't looked back since. As a reminder, all these trade setups are done on our trading room live Monday through Friday at 11 a.m. Eastern. Now, I want to give you guys a quick reminder. Our yearly offer is still valid for the end of the year, and that is 50% off for first-time users. So if you're new to Forex Lens and you want to give our trading room a try, you're going to get 50% off your first month. All you have to do is go to forexlens.com and chat with Allison to get any of these offers, and she'll help you out. So instead of $97 for the month, you're only paying $48.50, and that includes all my live sessions and 5 signal providers. That's around 10 trades a day, so please take advantage. And then our January offers are ending in 2 days. In 48 hours, these offers will be gone, so make sure you act fast. The first offer is the yearly trading room membership. This is $397 for the year. Taking that value, $397 for the year, for all my signals, for all my sessions, and 4 other providers. You can't really beat that. And then our second offer is just ridiculous. It's a lifetime membership for life, only for $997. That means you get all of our signals, all of our sessions until forever, until we're still here, and we're here for a long time. So please do take advantage. Both these offers end in 48 hours. This 50% off your first time is valid for the entire year. So if you're a newcomer and you want to try us out, go ahead and give this a shot. And to secure any of these offers, just go to forexlens.com and chat with Allison so you can get setups like these every single day. So level up your trading, level up your life this year, and make sure you get in on the trading room.